Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be sharing some holiday lip combo recommendations. I feel like lips are one of the best opportunities to bring a little pop of color, especially around the holidays, and especially if you want to do a little bit more of a simple toned down all over makeup look, but you still want some kind of a pop. This is the perfect and easiest way. So I wanted to share some favorites and recommendations for this time of year. So before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Join the fam. Don't miss out on 3 videos a week. So please make sure you're subscribed. But if you want to see my holiday season lip combo recommendations, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, I have a little bit of a variety here. So I have neutrals, I have some more poppy colors. So we're gonna go through all of it, which I'm super, super excited about. I don't have a ton of different products here, but I do have some variety to give you. I'm not gonna go in any particular order. I'm just gonna grab some and tell you why I love them. So the first couple of products are products that you could use just on their own. The first one I really love and recommend is from e.l.f. It is the, what are these? Glow Reviver Lip Oil. This is the glimmer finish in Princess Cut. I love these on their own. I love them on top of other products. They look good any way you want, but I feel like this is such a perfect product, especially with that glimmer. For the holiday season, for daytime, it's an oil, so it's super comfortable to wear. You can literally just throw it on at any point and then touch up throughout the day if you want to, and it looks so pretty every time. So just a little swatch on the back of my hand so you can see the shimmer, and it looks so natural and so pretty on the lips, and it just makes them pop, but it still looks so natural, and it's the perfect day to night product. And then with that, another day to night product, Summer Fridays. This is the Dream Lip Oil. I love these. I always keep them on hand, again, either on their own or on top of other products. They just work so beautifully either way. This one is in Rosewood Nights, which I thought was super perfect for this time of year because it's like a deep purpley, browny berry color. It's not crazy pigmented, so it'll still look really, really natural. And it's one of those that you can literally throw on during the day to go run errands, or you can do a full makeup look and add this in and it'll look so pretty. So either way, it's such a versatile product. But these are two that I thought are so good for like day to night, whatever the occasion, whatever you're doing. They just work on their own for everything, and you don't even need to pair them with anything else. Then I have a few lip stains that I'm gonna touch on because I really, really feel like lip stains are so perfect for this time of year. I think I said this in a previous video, but I feel like around the holidays, you are going to occasions with family, friends, you are eating, drinking, talking, doing all the things, and you don't wanna think about what's on your lips constantly. So I feel like a lip stain is such a perfect way to alleviate that, not have to worry about what product is still there and if you have to touch up, because it's just gonna last all day long. So the first one I have is from Wonderskin. It's the All Day Lip Stain. This is in the shade XOXO. I guess I could do a little swatch, but this isn't really gonna give you a determination of what the color is gonna look like because you have to wipe this away. But essentially, when you swatch, it looks like that. But after you've wiped away this color after a minute or so, the color that you get, or at least with this XOXO shade, is like a really pretty nudish color. It is like the perfect all day pinkish nude color. Like, you don't need a lip liner, you don't need anything on top. It just looks so, so pretty on its own. And once this is wiped off, you can literally just forget about it and it's there all day long. So I just love how easy it is to use. And then I have a couple more lip stains from the same brand, but they are the Kulfi Lassie Lips Staining Lip Oil. This was actually a duo I got, and ever since I got it, I literally cannot stop using it. I'm so obsessed with these products. I need every single color because I just love these so much. Like, the Wonderskin one is so easy to use, but these are even easier to use because you don't even have to wipe these away. You literally, and I'm wearing this one right now in the shade Date, but I have the shades Date and First Sorry. So Date is more of like a, it is still on the nude-ish side, especially when the actual like glossy color comes off and it's faded a little bit, but it's more of like a pinky nude. And then First Sorry is more of like a berry kind of color, which again, I think is so perfect for around the holiday season. I love a berry lip product during the holidays, during the colder months. It just looks so, so pretty with so many different makeup looks, so many different outfits. There's just so many ways to style it. And again, for any kind of simple makeup look, if you want a pop of color, a good berry lip is always a good idea. But yeah, I love these because you don't even have to wipe the product away. You just unscrew the cap, apply it like you would a liquid lipstick, and it goes on just perfect. Like, the way you're able to line your lips is absolutely perfect. You have this beautiful, beautiful shine, so it looks like you have a full lip combo on without needing an actual combo. You just have one product. And then as the day goes on, the like actual shiny part dries, and the color that you have left over for the rest of the day is literally this. Like, it's so pretty. You can eat, you can drink, you can talk, you can do whatever you want, and it's not gonna move. So I just love how simple this is, and the fact that you don't have to think about it all day long. Like, you just apply and go. So I really, really love that. I'll show you guys what the swatches of these look like. So I swatched Date first, and then I'm gonna do First Sorry right next to it. So you can see kind of the difference, like more of like a warm nudish pink, and then like a berry kind of color. So both so, so pretty. And then I have two combos that I will share with you. First one, I have to mention this lip liner in every single lip video I talk about because it's my all-time favorite. It is the Makeup Forever Artist Colored Pencil in Wherever Walnut, my all-time favorite lip liner, my all-time favorite shade. You just can't go wrong with this one. It's the perfect pinky nude. It's so good, paired with so many different products on top. Here is the swatch of that lip liner. It looks so good on so many different people. I just can't stress enough how good of a lip liner it is. It lasts all day long, so pigmented. I'm just obsessed. And then paired with that, I'm obsessed with, sorry if you hear my cat in the background going crazy, but paired with this, I love the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Big Lip Plumpgasm in medium deep. I also have light medium, which I'm obsessed with, but medium deep is a little bit more perfect for this time of year because again, it's on the deeper side. So here is that swatched. It's just the prettiest, glossiest, juiciest, plumpiest lip gloss ever. I'm so obsessed with it. I love the packaging. Like, I literally would walk around with this in my hand, how pretty it is, so I could show everybody. I love the feeling of it on my lips. Like, it just looks so, so good every time, and it's the perfect, like, it's like not even a berry color, but it's almost leaning that way, but it still has like a warmth, like a browniness to it too, if that makes any sense. I just love, love, love this combo. I've worn it so many times and I get so many compliments when I do, so I can't recommend enough. And then last but not least, we needed a real pop of color, so I have a red for you. This one is a lip liner. You can use it all over your lips, of course. It's a little bit on the thicker side, but I absolutely love it. It's the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and this is in the shade Dragon Girl. So here it is. It's like a true bright, bright red. It's so, so pretty. I love the consistency of it. It's so soft. It's not drying. It glides on the lips. It's so pigmented. I just love the way it looks. So a lot of times when I wear this, I will first line my lips, then I'll color in the rest of my lips, or at least like 2/3 of my lips. Then I'll take my finger and blend the rest to create kind of like a gradient. And then I'll pair something on top to give it more of a pop or a shine. You could stop there if you just want that kind of matte finish, and it's so good just like that. But if you want a really good gloss on top, sorry guys, I was holding the wrong product. I had the lip tint or the cheek tint instead of a lip tint, so I just switched it out. This is the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil, so another one making an appearance. This is in the shade Red Delicious. Such a good one. This is a very, very subtle, so it's not gonna come off like super in your face red. It almost comes off more of like a pink, but I just love that ever so subtle hint of like a colored redness to it, so it pairs perfectly with that lip liner, and it's such a good combo. Like, it just gives you the prettiest shine to your lips when you put this on. So it's so pretty. Absolutely love every time I get compliments, every time I do that. And it's perfect, especially for Christmas, New Year's, those big holidays where maybe you want that pop for your lips. So I'm obsessed, but all of these you cannot go wrong with. The swatches speak for themselves. I'm so sorry guys, my cat is going crazy meowing. But yeah, that is it. That's all I have for my lip combos for the holidays. I hope you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun with this one. I love talking about these kinds of products, so I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Comment, let me know which one your favorite was of the bunch. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.